Guys, I'm going to talk about Terra Luna because this coin right now is exploding. So let's check out what actually happened here. But guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really does mean so much to me if you can subscribe to the channel and like the video, because we're going to that 29,000 number. Super excited for the future of this channel. So let's all together go to the moon. I'm going to go here to their chart and see exactly what's been happening. So as you can see here, the all-time high before was all the way to $23. Now that was pretty awesome to see, but ever since Bitcoin did go down, basically, Bitcoin's still going down. So yeah, Bitcoin did break a little bit here, but that's pretty good actually. I knew we had to go down eventually because you have to go and stabilize with the RSI. The RSI has to go down here a little bit. What I think is we're probably gonna hit all the way maybe even to this level for the RSI to reach and a little bit lower here, and then good things can start to happen. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. We still have a lot of things that need to happen, but let's continue. Let's go to Luna. So Luna has been increasing by a lot here, so let's measure the dips. So let's measure this increase. So from here to basically here, this coin that increased 360% in the last 30 days, so 27 days, 28 days, but still it's awesome to see this kind of increase for this coin, and that this coin is actually going up. So super cool. Now what's gonna happen to this coin? Can we figure out some new stats? So first let's put our resistance and our support lines. So basically we have some resistance right now at this level. I think what's going to happen right now is that we're going to break this level, because what happens is that we had to pull back down. As you can see, we did go up, we pulled back down to retest this area, we bounced off. Super buying power, basically the coin did increase here from here to here, so that's like 15% here in just like an hour, 8 hours, something like that. So just because of that, basically what happened here is that hopefully we're gonna have enough buying power to break through this value and to continue to go up even more. So let's measure some things. Let's check it out. Right now, super basically just spikes, just giant spike here. The problem is I'm seeing is that the RSI is super overbought, which is really bad. So what needs to happen is that we're gonna have that pullback. So there is a chance that we should be able to, we need to get rejected here, because the RSI is just super duper overbought. So let's actually go to the 1-day chart to see here. Yeah, look at this. The RSI just shows you guys here that we did go too much up. So in this area, it should mean that it's time to sell. So pretty soon, either we're going to have a huge sell-off, or we're going to break this level and then have a huge sell-off. So a correction needs to happen, and that correction is going to be probably back to this level here. So either this level or maybe even this level here. So that's going to be I think like 20, it's not even 20, yeah, it's 17 to 18% decrease here for the coin. So that something like this needs to happen, but you can just see that basically the RSI is just too high. It's just too high. These two lines, like look at this, we just made a beautiful bullish cross here. The problem is like this blue line here just can't catch up with the graph. So we need that stabilization. We need to get rejected right now if we want to have something later on. So if you go here to the 4-hour, you can see that some people are selling here, and at least here at the 4-hour, we're pretty close to the chart here, like this like blue line here, which is awesome, but still super overbought. So what needs to happen is something like this, where we do get rejected here a little bit, stable. You can just see here how much the stabilization that matters. So we got to this level, we got rejected, boom, look at the RSI going all the way down. Then stabilization is what we need. So now we need some rejection, stabilization, and then continuing to go up if this coin can, of course. So for now, look at this, how much more buying volume we have right now, like more than before. Look at this, before, now. Look at the volume. So the volume is increasing. So it should mean that we still have a good chance that this coin should be able to go up, at least when it does stabilize. So either we're gonna have some like a huge pull up, so we do continue to go up, so another explosion, or right now we're gonna see some stabilization here. So a little bit of stabilization for the next like couple of maybe days, 2 days, maybe like a couple of hours even, all depends. And once that is over, there is a chance that this coin should be able to go up even more. So look at this, the whole market is going down, but people are purchasing Luna here. So Luna is still going up. So an XDC also going up here, but Luna is one of those coins that really is blowing up actually. So you can see how much increase this coin did have in the last couple of days. So 50% in just 2 or 3 days. I believe we can have another push here, at least like like 30. I'm gonna actually measure it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our Fibonacci here. We're gonna take my Fibonacci here. We're just gonna measure from basically, let's say it should be from here to here, and this is the level. I'm actually gonna put it right over here. So from here to here, this is the level where it should be able to go up all the way to. So 33. Can we reach 33? Of course, we're gonna need a lot more increase here. We're gonna need 26%. I think at least we'll be able to reach like 30 before we have like a super huge correction. So we're gonna need the super huge correction. But as of now, it looks like maybe we're gonna, like I said, have a pullback. Then the coin will continue to go up. Hopefully reaching those 30, yeah, the $30 area. And then we're gonna see some rejection because we're gonna need a stabilization, guys. We need to have stabilization if we want something like this, probably, where the coin will go down by about 20 to 30%, and then have another increase later on because basically looks like people are just interested into Terra here. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. This is Terra Luna. Right now the market cap for this coin is above $10 billion. It did go up by 17%, but it did go up a lot more if you do check it out here. So the volume did increase by 25%, so 1.7 billion volume, which is huge, and this coin still, like I said, is going up. So what I'm expecting, we're gonna have some correction here or even more continued growth, but we're gonna see. I think a lot of people did talk about this coin and that this coin should be able to continue to go up even more. 173,000 watch lists, and right now one coin is worth $25, which is super interesting to see. But let's continue. Let's check out the coin. It says here programmable for the internet. So download station wallet. Okay, I didn't see it. So download station wallet. If you find it, block explorer, and join a community and watch intro. So this, like I said, a serious coin. It's worth $10 billion. So yeah, there you go. The market cap is actually $10 billion, which is insane. So it says here that is the most attractive to hold. Anchor protocol allows Terra stablecoin deposits to earn stable yield, powered by block rewards of a leading proof of stake blockchain. So it says here learn more about Anchor, but let's continue it down. And the easiest to spend. Terra stablecoins offer instant settlements, low fees, and a seamless cross-border exchange, loved by millions of users and merchants. 2 million plus active payment users and 1 billion plus TX vol per annum. Okay, so say forming the most limitless venue to trade. So Mirror protocol allows the creation of fungible assets, so synthetics that track the price of real-world assets. Mirror's synthetics are intended to be used as key building blocks in smart contracts and to bring the world's assets to the blockchain. Super cool. And the most powerful platform to build on. So Terra supports smart contracts enabled by custom technology. So developers are able to build smart contracts in Rust, Go, or assembly script, run on multiple chains connected by the Cosmos IBC, use Terra stablecoins, on-chain swaps, layer 1 oracles, and as primitives, expose dApps user bases to Terra's payment services in a permissionless fashion. So it says here build now, learn more about Terraformer Capital. Let's continue. It says here accessible on leading blockchains. So Terra aims to make its stablecoins available to every developer on every blockchain. Now live on Ethereum and Solana, and coming to more soon. So it says take a closer look, read the Terra white paper, latest research discussions, learn how to build on Terra, explore the Terra ecosystem. Recently, this is all of the news outlets that did talk about this coin. So Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, CoinDesk, and so many different ones. And that's about it. So there you go. This is the whole website. You can, of course, check out the rest here. So we have like the white paper and everything. It's a huge book here, actually. So you can check it out if you do want to, if you're interested into that. But let's continue. I want to go here to their Twitter and see what's been happening there. Now, weird thing here. And I'm seeing here, it says 103,000 followers here, which is a huge number, but I'm not seeing too much people engaging here with Terra. So I don't know what's happening here. They even got verified, so powered by Luna. I'm just not seeing, it's UST. Okay, that's interesting. So UST. So yeah, not too many engagement here, which is pretty interesting. I don't understand why this is happening. It says here, this week we'll discuss what opportunities Prism protocol could open up for Terra money and beyond. Here is an exception of the concept for those new to the world of crypto. So yeah, like I said, you can check out the Twitter here and check out what's happening Okay, yeah, they're partnering up with so many different companies here, which is interesting. So let's continue. Actually, in the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.